officers, headed by our working and dynamic President, Eagle, National President, Kuya Ronald F. De Los Santos, respective fellow Assembly delegates, mga kuya, ate, and friends of Eagles, isang mapagpalang hapon po sa ating lahat. I rise today on a matter of personal and collective privilege, as this concerns not just myself, but the very essence of our membership in the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, Inc. Bilang mga agila, hindi lamang tayo bahagi ng isang organisasyon. Tayo ay isang kapatiran na may panata sa serbisyo, pagkakaisa at pagmamalasakit sa ating kapwa. Over the years, we have seen our brotherhood grow. But with growth comes the challenge of ensuring that each member remains faithful to our core values and updated with the evolving direction of our order. It is in this spirit that I bring forward a proposal that I believe will strengthen our commitment to service, brotherhood, unity, and divine power, the very pillars that define us Eagles. With the indulgence of this Honorable Assembly, I would like to take this opportunity to formally introduce a motion aimed at reinforcing our dedication as Eagles. Mr. Chair, I have two motions, Mr. Chair. I move that this Assembly consider and adopt that every Eagle to undergo a refresher or a reorientation seminar every 5th year before membership renewal to be subsidized by the national funds. Second, I am also proposing a resolution providing an impeachment provision in the Eagles Constitution. Since 1979, there is no provision in our Magna Carta or in the present Constitution that provides the removal of our national president for grounds for impeachment is culpable violation of the Constitution, loss of trust and confidence, and third is graft and corruption, Mr. Chair. This initiative will ensure that each Eagles remains well-informed, engaged, and aligned with the principles that bind us together as one brotherhood. I trust in the wisdom of this Assembly to include the deliberation of this matter for the greater good of our fraternity. Mabuhay!